who the hell is this Miller guy anyway?
I don't know, special forces? SBS or some shit, man.
Yeah, I mean, sure. CTRG, whatever the fuck that means. For all I know, he's the royal fucking janitor. And it's like, who died and made him king?
McKinnon. And to be fair to the guy, he's kept us alive this far.
Sure, you're right. It's just that accent, you know. Gets right up my nose.
I heard that, man. I heard that.
Well, I heard the shit kicked off up at Camino.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, comms were fucked, though. Could barely make out the messages.
Right, I heard that. It was a mess. Fucking greenbacks, man.
Kerry, you went through diver training, didn't you? Miller's got an op for us. Are you up for it?
Okay, listen up. Recon reports indicate that the AAF will be making a push south in the next few hours. It appears they're keen to lock down the area around Gurna. Intel suggests that the highest-ranking officer on Stratis will himself be in the area. Neutralizing him will deal a serious blow to our enemy. Decapitating their command structure may even signal an end to this whole situation. We simply cannot let this opportunity pass us by, gentlemen. Now, we've come up with a plan of action. My team has a submersible stash just off the west coast. That's why we asked for volunteers, those of you with diving experience. One of my men, Lieutenant James here, will use it to lead a small squad and insert north of Gurna. Meanwhile, Bravo will circle around and take up a position to the south. Once both teams are in place, we will close the trap. All right, let's set this in motion. Dismissed.
All right, diving. Releasing the hatch locks.
Lieutenant, can I ask a question?
Go ahead, Kerry.
Why are we even on this mission? Why didn't Miller just leave it to you guys?
They've got their own assignment.
More important than this.
It's need to know, Corporal. If you see what I mean. One more time. We'll insert at the bay and move to a vantage point above the village. Syncing with Bravo, we'll strike together and neutralize enemy forces. Mind your heads, lads. Damn, mines. Okay, end of the line. Everyone out.
That's a lot of mines. Yeah, please don't touch any of them.
Contact. 4 guys on the beach. Engage that machine gunner. Just up ahead. Kerry, attack that rifleman. Keep our man down. Hold fire. Down. Falcon, this is Swordfish. Be advised, we inserted north of Gurna. We encountered a Greenback patrol, but I doubt they got a warning out. Moving into position now. Over.
Copy that, Swordfish. Move quickly. The patrol in town probably heard the shots.
All right. Move quickly and quietly. Hold fire until we're ready to strike.
Bravo, report in. Over.
Falcon, this is Bravo. We're in position, awaiting your signal. Over.
Solid copy, Bravo. Swordfish, looks like we're just waiting on you. Get moving. Over.
We'll go, sir. We're en route. Swordfish out. Swordfish to Falcon. In position. Over.
Copy that. Have you got eyes on the targets? Over.
Negative.
Falcon, we've got a visual here. HVT in a courtyard in the center of town. Over.
Understood. The ball's in your court now, Swordfish. Good luck. Out.
All right. Sweep the middle.
Target down. Man, 200 meters left.
Falcon, this is Swordfish. Enemy forces in Gurna neutralized. Over.
Copy that, Swordfish. Great job. Do you have a kill confirmation on our targets? Over.
Making a sweep now, sir. Over.
Be quick about it, Swordfish. Assume enemy forces at Tempest are mobilizing. I'd estimate you have about 5 minutes until they're on top of you. Over.
Understood. Swordfish out. Kerry, find and verify the target. Make sure it's our guy.
Sir, it's not him.
What?
It's not him. It's an officer, pretty high ranking, but it's not our guy.
Damn it! Fulcrum, be advised. Our intel was faulty. The target isn't here. Over.
Say again, Swordfish? You're positive it's not him. Over.
It's definitely a high-ranking officer, sir, but it's not our target. Over.
Shit. Understood, Swordfish. Get yourselves back here. Falcon out.
There's a truck in the center of town. Everyone, load up! Fulcrum, be advised. The others are commandeering a truck. I'm gonna double back for the STV. Meet you guys back at Maxwell. Over.
Acknowledged, Swordfish. Out.